Bruce Clarkson and I work at the University of Waikato. I'm the program leader for a research program called People, Cities and Nature. One of the key partners in that program is Manaaki Whenua Land Care Research. I first got interested in native plants when I was about 8. I was raised on a farm near Mount Taranaki and used to roam the landscape with my brothers, and that's really how I first got interested in nature. What I'm trying to do now is using the knowledge that I've built up from way back at that time to help people restore urban nature. The most rewarding thing about it is actually being able to help people restore nature in their own backyard and to see the progress, to be able to go and visit people and see them at work in their Hamilton gullies, for example, and see the progress that they can make over quite a short time. But even better, to be able to go back to a project 20 years later and see the amazing change that's occurred with the removal of all of the weeds and the exotic species and turning a Hamilton gully back into a native-dominated ecosystem.